Have you ever looked at your pet and wondered, what does he actually think I am? Not just whether he likes you, but what do you look like in his head? To your dog, are you just a giant food machine? To your cat, are you just an annoying roommate who takes up too much space on the bed? The truth is, animals don't see us the way we see ourselves. They don't know what a human is, what a job is, or what money means. So, if we strip all of that away, what kind of weird alien creature do they think we are? The answer is actually hilarious and a little mind-blowing. Let's start with dogs. Your dog knows perfectly well that you aren't another dog. You walk on two legs, you don't have fur, and your sense of smell is pretty terrible compared to theirs. But to a dog, you are basically a superhero. Think about it from their view. You control the weather because you can open the front door. You make food appear out of nowhere in a shiny bowl. And you protect them when big noises happen outside. In a dog's mind, you are a giant, magical pack leader who has terrible fur but amazing access to snacks. Cats, on the other hand, look at you very differently. When a cat rubs against you or sleeps on your chest, they aren't looking up to a boss. Scientists say cats treat humans like giant, clumsy, harmless roommates. In fact, adult cats almost never meow at other cats. They only do it to talk to us. It's a special voice they made just for you. So to a cat, you are basically a huge, hairless feline who is bad at hunting, but very good at opening cans. Now, what about wild birds? If you think they just fly away and forget about you, think again, especially crows. Crows are incredibly smart. They don't just see a person, they actually look at your specific face. If you are mean to a crow, it will remember your face for years. It will even fly back to its family and tell its kids and neighbors that you are a dangerous human to avoid. But if you give them food, they will remember you as a friend. To a crow, you are a specific character in their neighborhood. Either a nice neighbor who shares food, or a villain they need to watch out for. For animals out in the woods, like a deer, they don't care about your personality. They just see your shape. Because humans have eyes on the front of our faces, just like lions and wolves, wild animals automatically think we are dangerous hunters. But animals that live inside cities, like squirrels and raccoons, have totally figured us out. They don't think of us as people. To a city squirrel, you are just a moving tree that occasionally drops peanuts. And to a raccoon, your house isn't a home, it's just a giant obstacle course built around a magical box full of food. That box is your trash can. To them, our whole civilization is just a giant factory made to produce delicious leftovers. If you go into the ocean, things get even weirder. When a wild dolphin sees a human swimming, they don't get scared. They usually get curious. But because we are so slow in the water, flailing our arms and legs around just to stay afloat, dolphins probably think we are just clumsy, awkward swimmers who need a lot of help. And giant whales? We are so tiny to them that we are like little bugs flying next to a big building. But whales are often very gentle around humans because they can tell we are fragile and easily broken. We like to think humans are the main characters of the planet. But animals aren't sitting around thinking about our world. They are just trying to survive, and they are watching us much closer than we think. They don't listen to our words, they watch our habits. They know what it means when you pick up your keys, and they know what it means when you open the fridge. So the next time you look at your pet, remember, you are the biggest mystery in their world. What do you think your pet secretly thinks you are? Drop your funniest guesses in the comments below. And if you want more easy, mind-blowing breakdowns of the world around us, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next draft.